I don't know about you, but I noticed these prices on avocados are down from last year. So I wanted to find out why. Was it weather or was it something else? So I met up with Ben Lyons. He's over at Lockwood Acres in Vacaville, and he said, sure, weather is a part of it, but it's also our demand on the delivery time and the taste. That's a key factor in the life cycle of the tree. Yeah, the tree, he explains.
You put a lot of stress on the tree by leaving them on that long, but the longer you leave them on the tree, the better they taste. So the ones in January that they pick early are going to be flat and bland. The ones they leave on till May have that nice creamy buttery avocado thing that you die for.
So, but then the next year, you said not going to be...
Yeah, the trees, since they've put all their energy into that fruit, then they go into what a lay time, so they don't produce as much.
Okay, so they don't produce as much. And he said that's true of all deciduous, almost all deciduous fruit trees. So you would think, okay, like I said, one year's good, the next year's bad. And he said that's where weather comes into play. So it's all about variability. You got to really put a lot of crops out there. So if weather is bad, you at least have some variety in your crops. Thanks for watching the Geek Lab. Be sure to subscribe to watch more. And let me know in the comments below what you'd like explained in the Geek Lab.